Hey Star Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. And if you've just seen my face for the very first time, hi, this is Style by EJ and thank you so much for clicking this video and I hope you'll enjoy what you see. Alright, so today's video is sponsored by Just4Kira and they were kind enough to send me a few contact lenses right here. I have a whole range of colors from blues to greens to gray, yes, and I'll be trying them all out for you and you let me know which actually is your favorite. And yeah, I have a model here today, Style by FEO, okay, and please kindly check out her Instagram page. She actually made, the headpiece I have right here. So if you need any of those, please kindly contact her. Leave a comment in the comment section letting me know what you think about this video and the style of contact lens you wear, or if you wear a contact lens at all. Alright guys, I'll see you at the end of the video. Like I mentioned to you earlier, I have my beautiful model right here, Style by FEO. So this is what the packaging looks like. It just has a brand name, Just4Kira right there. And it also comes with like a case where you store in your contact lenses. It's just like a very clear case. It also comes with an applicator. If you're not comfortable using your hands, you can actually use the applicator, to apply your contact lenses. This is a really good tool in which you can use. So we'll just go right ahead and install the contact lens to show you what the colors look like. Right now, my model has no contact lens on. This is her natural eyes, okay? So we're gonna show you the before and after, okay? Hope you enjoyed this video and leave in the comment section below what sort of contact lenses you like to wear, prescription, and if they're color lenses, what colors you like to wear, okay? Grab a coffee, grab some snacks, and enjoy the video. You can see my model's eyes. So on the right hand, that's the contact lens we have there. This is the Neala Green. I hope I'm pronouncing it well. Okay, this is the Neala Green, right? And the color looks so good on her. So if you're a woman of color, you're black skin, I guess this is a positive or good color you should actually get for yourself. Look at my beautiful model. This looks really, really good. So you can compare the left, the right, and the left. The left is where she doesn't have the contact lens and the right is where she has a contact lens. We use the applicator to install the contact lens. So we'll move on to the very next color. The next contact lens on. This one is so gorgeous. My model really loves it. This one is similar to the first one. The first was Neala Green and this is a Neala Brown, okay? And that's what it looks like, the Neala Brown, and the power is 0.00, of course, because it's not prescription. And it's right now on the right eye, as you can see that, okay? See the comparison between the right and the left eyes. You can tell the difference, okay? She has a natural brown eyes. Then the right side, again, like I said, has the Neala Brown contact lens. One thing my model said, which she's really excited about, is that these contact lenses are very easy to apply, okay? So if you're a beginner, you can actually get these contact lenses and trust me, you will be able to apply the contact lenses on your eyes. So we'll move on to the very next one. We have 3 more to show on, okay? So please let me know in the comment section which one between the Neala Green and the Neala Brown you think is your favorite, okay? So let's show you how you can apply yourself. So take on the applicator and put in the contact lens just at the end of your eye, and the contact lens stays. You can see what she's doing, okay? And that's one way in which you can apply the contact lens by yourself. I'll also show you if you have someone at home who can actually assist you. Okay, I will be applying these contact lenses for her in the next try on, so you can actually see the variations, okay? Alright, the color we have right now is called Asa Blue, okay? Seeing it for the first time, you think it might be very bright, but it's really nice. I do really like it. Again, we're trying it all on one eye, the right eye, and that's the left eye you have right there. So you can actually see the difference and see what it actually looks like, okay? So right now, which one do you think you're going to be getting? Let me know. So I'll go right ahead and help her put the fourth one into that eye, so you see the variations and how the lens on the eyes like this, okay? And then she's just gonna wiggle her eyes on, and voila! you have your lens, your contact lens on there. How easy is that? How easy? Tell me guys, how easy? The fourth lens is on the right eye, as you can see, and then that's the left eye. Nothing, we chose not to touch the left eye at all. So that's fourth contact lens on, still on the right eye. Okay, the color this is called Neomar. Hope I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, it's called Himora. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, so it's right now on the right eye, so you can tell the difference between the right eye and the left eye. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this particular one looks very similar to her eye color. Honestly, if I'm not the one who applied it for her, I would think it's actually her eyes. Okay, so you can get natural contact lenses from Just4Kira. This is what, guys, we have our last contact lens on. How gorgeous is my model? I really like this color. I really do like this color. Okay, and for this one, it's called the Russo Brown. That's what this is. I do really like it. Okay, this is so gorgeous. And we have the contact on the right eye, and the left eye has nothing at all. So just imagine applying all contact lenses on the left eye, on the right eye, and my model is not teary. Easy to apply, is easy to take off, and you don't have any worries at all. And remember to leave in the comment section, let me know which is your favorite. And don't forget, the last thing, do not forget to check on my model's Instagram page, Style by FEO, and you're ready to wear. Remember, I showed you the headband I was wearing today. I was inside a picture to the right side. You see the headbands I'm wearing. Don't forget to place your orders, guys. Okay, so on the very last contact lens we have a sixth one. It's called the Asa Blue. Okay, this is what it looks like on my model. Again, the contact is on the right side, and on the left side you don't have anything on. For this particular one, it will really suit a light-skinned person because well, it's beautiful, don't get me wrong, but I think it's going to suit a light-skinned person better. Okay, or you could actually wear for Halloween. That's another way to rock this particular colored eye contact lens. For the other 5 colors, they are perfectly suited for the black skin, and they were really gorgeous. This also is very gorgeous. Okay, again, let me know which is your favorite. And yeah, that's all for the video today. It was nice working with Just4Kira. Like I said, they sent me 6 contact lenses to try on, and I had my beautiful model here, Style by FEO, to model all contact lenses for me. So until my next video, guys, remember to make it a great week. Bye, guys.